Welcome back, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets, and today we've got in this beautiful Polestar 2, and we'll be showing you how to do a OEM plinth delete using our new miniature replacement plinth part. Let's get into it. Miniature replacement plinth part. Why do we need one? What we're trying to do is delete this oversized and ugly OEM plinth, also known as this big black plastic box. It looks a little bit ugly. It's always oversized to the number plate you're trying to run, and that's why we've made a miniature replacement part. It will replace it, and there won't be any drilling required because it bolts back into the original hole. I'll show you how to get it done. The first thing that we're going to do is take off the number plate so we can get access to the bolts holding on this ugly and oversized OEM plinth. Next, we're going to grab our 8mm socket and take out these two bolts holding on this ugly plinth. It's one here and one on the other side as well. Now that we've removed the OEM plinth, we can get our miniature replacement part. There's no drilling involved in this step or no modification required because it bolts back on to the original holes. And we also supply the black stainless countersunk screws, or M6 bolts I should say. All you need to do is tighten them up into the factory hole. Now that we've got our miniature replacement part on without any modification, all you need is two bolts and it's super secure. Let me explain a little bit more about our system. So the miniature plinth can't be bought separately or it can't be bought on its own. You have to buy it in conjunction with a matching number plate bracket because it is a two-part mounting solution to create one complete system. So that means that you need to buy a matching number plate bracket to bolt onto the miniature plinth. And when I say matching number plate bracket, it is a bracket that matches the style and size of your number plate. So for example, if you had Euro plates, then you'd get our Euro bracket. If you had a standard plate, you get a standard bracket. If you had a JDM plate, then you get a JDM bracket. If you had a slimline plate, you get an SL2 bracket. If you had slims in South Australia, you get our SL0 bracket. 3 to 4 character slimlines, you get a 3 to 4 character slimline bracket. And then our signature plates, if you had signature plates, you get our signature bracket. And to again highlight why we're doing this in the first place is because the OEM plinth or factory mounting box is way too big, oversized and ugly, even for regular slimlines in Victoria and most of the states. Even uglier when you go to the South Australian plate, which is even narrower. It just never really aligns, or it's not the right size. And I will further explain later on in this video what we're going to do with our smaller variant plates, 3 to 4 characters and also signatures. Let's get into it. So now I'm just going to show you how much cleaner our system's going to look. Here are a few examples. I'm going to start off with the Euro bracket to fit a Euro plate. So probably going to choose that slot for now. They are adjustable. All you need to do is just pick the right slot and right brass fitting to screw your bolt into. All of our brackets have center markings that will help you align it perfectly center. Now that the bracket's on, all you need to do is get a number plate on, but before you check out in your cart, make sure you check out our range of optional accessories, part of our ecosystem. For example, right now I'm installing white security screws on the right-hand side of this Euro plate. This can be added as an optional extra for an extra $10. Next up, we've got our SL2 bracket, which is the most commonly sold bracket here. It matches number plates that measure 372 by 100 mil tall. Again, be sure to check out our range of optional accessories, part of our ecosystem, like the black security screws I'm fitting into this plate that can be added for an extra $10. It's just that little bit of security that makes it a little bit harder for thieves to steal your number plate. Now that I've shown you a few examples of some of the larger format number plates, let me discuss the smaller footprint number plates like the 3 to 4 characters commonly found in Victoria and New South Wales, where most of these plates measure about 250 mil from left to right. say 250 to 255, depending on the state and the style and size that you choose. 255 is going to be smaller than the holes that are on the car. And the holes on the car basically determine how big we can make or how small we can make the miniature plinth. And unfortunately, these holes that are in the car already are further apart than the size of your number plate. So we weren't able to make the miniature plinth any smaller. And if we did, you'd still have a hole that you would see. So that's why the design is in this smallest footprint that we can make it already. So to get this 3 to 4 character on, or even this signature on, you will see a little bit of the miniature plinth, but it's certainly cleaner and less ugly than the oversized OEM plinth from the factory. So with that out of the way, let me show you what signatures look like on this car, followed by our customer's beautiful 3 to 4 character slimline. Next up, we've got our 3 to 4 character slimline bracket. This is our newly designed one called the SL4-1. So the new version has the old style holes for the old number plate format. And if you turn it around, we've got the offset holes for the new style of plates. So today we'll be installing it this way because we have the old style 3 to 4 character slimline plates. Now that the bracket's bolted on, we can get our number plate on. And again, check out our range of optional accessories. Part of our ecosystem, we're installing security screws onto this number plate. And most of our brackets will be compatible with Kingpin and Ultrex covers. And I will be installing Kingpin covers onto this plate using our security screw as well. And that's the cleanest and most elegant way you're going to get number plates onto a Polestar 2. And this is how you do a OEM plinth delete using our miniature replacement part. Now just remember, it is a 2-part mounting solution, so you can't buy the miniature plinth on its own. You have to buy it in conjunction with a matching number plate bracket to complete a 2-part mounting solution. We also sell a bracket to suit almost every number plate in Australia. So if you need help identifying what bracket you need for your car and raw vehicle, give us a call or reach out to us at flowbrackets.com.au. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.